Day 72. Welcome, 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 everyone. We are on our 90-day journey. My name is Nina. I am a well-being coach. I'm glad you're here today. We're chatting all about that one conversation or one beginning you'd like to have ahead of you. So we'll be getting that into a moment. What I would love for you to do is just imagine like how you would feel 90 days from now. I know we're on day 72. But if you were to continue this daily habit that you're doing, how would you feel 90 days from now? And the reason why I'm asking that is because what is one beginning you'd like to have ahead of you? So I joined a lovely Mind Safari group with Amanda, where we're chatting about creativity and journey and just kind of like allowing the journey to take us on an adventure. And one of the questions she'd asked is like, what is one beginning you'd like to have ahead of you? And so with these habits that we are creating and doing, whatever it is, like for me, it is to come here live for 90 days to share with you, to keep you inspired and motivated. Maybe yours is to have your 2 liters of water, to go for that 20-minute walk, to have at least one healthy meal a day, to have your meal plan prepared for you every day. I'm not sure what your healthy habit is or what your habit is that you're wanting to do for 90 days. It doesn't matter. It just needs to be a small habit that you are able to actively do every single day. It doesn't need to be perfect. It just needs to be that you're taking action towards it. And so today the question is, what is one beginning you'd like to have ahead of you? What would that beginning be? What would that beginning look like? So again, we're getting that bigger picture, we're getting that bigger view. We're nearly towards the end of our 90 days. So this is a really great time to just like go, okay, what is available? What is further out there? What can happen? And so today I'd like you to ponder that question. What is kind of like a beginning that you'd like to have ahead of you in the future? Doesn't matter what the answer is, just think about that. And then, as you do that, is this habit that you're doing helping you get there? And how can you adapt, improve, upgrade that habit to help you get to that one beginning that you would like to have ahead of you? I'll see you again tomorrow for the next habit. In the meantime, if you'd like to hang out with me a little bit more, head down to the descriptions. I've got a seasonal reset starting very, very soon, and I'd love to have you on board and joining us. We meet live 4 times a year, and you have lifetime access to this reset, which means you can dip into it at any point in time, or you can join us and me when we do it live. We're starting next week, so I hope you'll be able to join us. Have a beautiful day, and I'll catch up with you soon. Any questions, leave them in the comments.